And just like that, guys, in one click, not only have we taken one video, but it also takes 4 images for you from every 90 degrees. Hey everyone, it's Jacky here at the JCK 2025 show in Las Vegas. It's absolutely electric here, and I want to take this moment to show you guys the new GemLightbox Pro and the GemCam Pro. So the GemLightbox Pro is the world's first GemIQ powered jewelry photography solution. You can take professional images and videos of your jewelry in just one single click. To begin, we simply download our application, which is free on any computer or iPhone or Android phone. And once you download the application, you can start shooting straight away. Let me show you inside the box as well. We have 2 turntables built in. We have the bottom turntable for all your flat pieces like your rings and your bracelets. And up top, we actually have a turntable for all your hanging pieces as well, like your necklaces and your earrings. All of our accessories are magnetic, so they're very easy to use. Now, the box also comes with these adjustable lights, and these are also based on magnetic technology. If you want to turn the light on, you simply attach it inside the machine, and it turns on by itself. There are 2 lights. There's a white color for your diamonds, and there's also a yellow color for your gemstones as well. Now, let me show you our latest innovation. This is the GemCam Pro. The GemCam Pro is a professional camera that we've tailored specifically for the jewelry industry. You can see it has inbuilt lights in the front to add even more sparkle and scintillation to your jewelry, as well as a 48 megapixel camera. The camera doesn't have any buttons or dials anywhere to adjust. You simply connect it to your computer and you can start shooting straight away. Now we simply point our camera at the jewelry and you can see it focuses by itself. And the GemCam Pro is actually powered by our in-house technology. It's called GemIQ. So GemIQ will ensure your entire piece of jewelry stays sharp and in focus the entire time you're recording. We'll click the red button on the screen, and just like that, our turntable goes into automation, creating a beautiful 360 white background video. And as you can see, while the piece is rotating, the whole piece is perfectly clear and perfectly sharp from front to back. Other professional cameras on the market will usually cause blurriness in the back because it can't focus on 2 areas at the same time. But with the GemIQ, the whole piece stays perfectly clear while you take the video. And just like that, guys, in one click, not only have we taken one video, but it also takes 4 images for you from every 90 degrees. So here we have the 360, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 images. As well as that, our AI software actually takes it one step further and writes a description for you on the spot. So here it says, this exquisite ring features a captivating blue gemstone at its center, surrounded by a halo of sparkling diamonds. You can then use this description for your website or even for your Instagram captions as well. Finally, let me show you the GemLightbox Pro Eclipse, which is our black background. So to use this is very simple. We just place this inside the box, and then our bottom piece goes on the bottom as well. Let's place our jewelry inside the machine. And on our application, we just switch to the Eclipse Mode. Now, again, we position our camera right in front of the box. And you can see, guys, just like that, you have a perfect picture on a black background. We take one more 360 of this ring, and the black background really brings out the contrast and the scintillation and brilliance in your jewelry pieces. Just like that. So there you go, guys. In less than 1 minute, we have a perfect video on a white background, a perfect photo on a black background, and you're ready to start selling your jewelry. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.